Abrantie we meye madwen se me kana sembiana na enkrofo eba ebedi matem eto le bia metena se na medwen se nti abrantie we pan wo mo de nechi no eden na wo mu hu ewo nimu just say ensema wotumi kano and you get people believing it. Answer the better on the subscribe and click the notification bell on the so we understand latest news be about one sa ebeka Nancy Evangelist Adai waka ne hu biom e wo social media etie for enye easy na sisi ade Evangelist Adai Emmanuel etie for sisi a level na ode kono chese eya yenyan Evangelist Adai sisi ano de wa ye ne se Ghanaian celebrities bi a wo mu ewuwu ekono Evangelist Adai e form of pictures na wafa ebia current celebrity bi and a current person bi picture ebia na sa current person no yebeka se was celebrity ni kakra ebia ne hairstyle mu ebia ne stature mu na waka se celebrity na ye ka se onu no wu ye no onu abiom na waba as this current celebrity no said the American monti asia. Let me explain this. Ye me anim Ebony wo ye exactly 2 years ago. Ma maybe ewo America wo ye Ghana ni wo kasa ewo Facebook. Minim ebi a obeka se wo ye Facebook blogger. Your friend I think ni dindi Nana Donko said I've forgotten her name. Evangelist Adai akofa ma mi picture eba say Ebony Ebony na trese wada da Ghana for se wewu na we jane abehye America mi ke ma mi yo bi a wote America wo woku na wo mba e wo America ho na so Evangelist Adai se wo ye Ebony na wa hye da aba na wo mo hye da ama ne nkola se eye ne mba na ye mind games na ye Ebony enye trese ma mi nkrofo ba bonte be ka se we di Evangelist Adai se nia koi wa adwen no se bin prediasa ti afa ho wo se won teda was one de Ebony na mo abonim say Evangelist Adai so na wa hear some signs be na trese wa hear signs be trotron nsem bi a me de nsem no ye trotron me ntehwe ase but the followers no mu di because they say they are understanding what Evangelist Adai is saying na me wa ye no na menim say ma me ne pe na wo de be ye no na menim say ehwa na wo de be ye no me hwa ne say Evangelist Adai esanso de acomedical so just say wo kika manekosi se Castro aye ka se insua fa na wayera no o se ye Castro na waba back to say medical no na Castro wu ye bia omo de Ghana for adwen dia agro me say Evangelist Adai is it serious into what the sad stories na be ya na me fi say we you serious wo be say wo be comment ni mu no wo be hu say people are seriously believing in what Evangelist Adai is saying. And I say, I say, many. Evangelist Adai, na wo can be say, yeah, but now for what they are international, meaning so international community there. International community, 2 musicians, bakwa a friend Rihanna, bakwa a friend Cardi B. Or they are babonting, say Rihanna and Cardi B no, wo mo enyembema. Sorry, or say wo mo nyemba no mo yembema. We will do our pictures be able to us a share woman kumutia a tresse woman yembema no more yamba a mind games no woman play. And I say Evangelist Adai sometimes reasoning a woman no utu say a day and a coso na Castro de no they see and they say once a Castro picture be some picture no na share glasses watch yanity some sideways be. It's Evangelist Adai go fast picture na medical so any say akodi atwa picture bia no so medical share sa glasses ni bia and a wey Castro ti ni bia and a medical so achia ni ti enti anu hu nti was Castro faked his death na waba back to say waba back in the form of medical na Castro is not dead ni nya mind games etiefo na me the last one now we year me who said that be we there Evangelist Adai bibia ekeka kono e was say yeso ni mu ene say Terrible Nchaka ene Shatawale Terrible Nchaka wo wu ye 2013 Evangelist Adai say Terrible Nchaka na biom na wahye da ye ne ho say Shatawale ena waba Evangelist Adai my reasoning tia was terrible chaka na saa time no wɔte ase no na kyerɛ sɛ wɔwɔ nua bi a na ne din de sɛ Chantel sɛ Chandien ɛno ho nti ɛyɛ ɔno a wɔn san so ga bibi ne nti a internet Shatawale wɔhwɛ terrible chaka maame no ɛna deɛ nti a wɔkasa ne sɛ nansen terrible chaka maame ɛkɔyɛ interview ɛma ne ka sɛ Ghanaian musician na wɔhwɛ ɔno terrible chaka maame so paa ɛyɛ Shatawale because ɛmra na terrible chaka wɔte ase na saa time na Shatawale wɔ hu na terrible chaka wɔyɛ Shatawale adamfo paa saa time na Shatawale de njom bandana from Gamoko African befe moko saa time na Shatawale de saa njom ne bae nti na saa time na terrible chaka na ɛte so wo nti na Shatawale esiensia fi terrible chaka na se kakra nti terrible chaka ne Shatawale they had that long relationship terrible chaka be free mu nti Shatawale sisi a wa be yie no ontumi nhwɛ sɛ na dan for terrible chaka ne maame sɛ be ne ho tre na wono Shatawale betena sɛ wo hwɛ nti na wo boa terrible chaka maame nti saa asɛm a terrible chaka maame be kan ni nti Evangelist Adai de ayɛ asɛm a kyerɛ sɛ wo de nam se ɛno kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ terrible chaka na wa ba in the form of ɛyɛ Shatawale no Evangelist Adai asɛmpe ni wo de asɛm bɛba da bi Ebony deɛ na lady na wɔka sɛ wɔyɛ Ebony no ɔsi lady ne pa wɔnkɔ Ghana no nkɔgye ne award no na Ebony na wɔkɔ a wɔno Evangelist Adai ne bɛma ne nkrofo ati lady ne ti adan na ɛwɔ sɛ wɔdada Ghana fo sɛ wewu Ghana fo su sɛ wegya ne abɛhyɛ America Evangelist Adai asɛmpe ni we ya na wa post pictures bi say Kweku Menu mu nia ba America no wo mo ne sa lady na wo say Ebony na be twitwa pictures na tell say Kweku Menu mu nia nim say sa lady no wo ye Ebony na me say na eho na Abraham Memoshe kra be ye video e ka say masa Evangelist Adai de wu ye ntwa ye de wu ye ntwa ye na wa face ni ho so Adai asɛmpe ni obewu sɛ just say saa ne ntro ye ne nyama na ye otro kra ne na me de eye me wawa but you see those who are supporting Evangelist Adai in all these things no meaning say eye na mo refi asɛm o sɛ den embra Ebony wu ye Evangelist Adai ankasa no ba bonten be ka sɛ wa hwehwɛ nyama na wehu sɛ eye Ebony papa na weku no and you people believed him. You people believed him na unim ade a woyeye okofa Ebony old picture bi Ebony twa picture no de nsa ato ne sisi a lady we so ne picture wono so de nsa ato ne sisi saa eno ho nti Evangelist Adai say Ebony na just because they are posing the same way. Why? How? I mean it's nipa menu to me posing the same way. Let me go back to what I was saying. Embra Ebony wu ye Ghana for bebre Evangelist Adai ba bonte be ka say Ebony papa na che se we ku Ebony a wode no koya rituals and people who were supporting Evangelist Adai supported him. Inti ade na ende wo ka say Ebony wu ye na wa kwa kodane de wo and you people are still supporting and believing him. Inti mumu bien to me be say Evangelist Adai and the chese wa da yen because one na be ka say Ebony ni papa na eku no afen so wada ne wachi be ka tren say Ebony kra onwu ye o feki ni wo nti adan na wo ka say ne papa eneku no na tren say utwa ntrot ne papa ne so but they forgotten about this and they are even not asking your friends saying Evangelist Adai these questions and I don't even understand this. This guy gets away with everything, inciting the youth to manufacture weapons and kill leaders in this country. And will be and can want them. Will be to me gashi. I say we are making a cabin and grow for Baba Bedimatem. But you see, it is the truth. I am just saying. The way this guy is inciting people. Here, young Shandy, ya DBC. And let me call barbering shop. Now, branch and now no way me to barbering shop no. Now if we will make it comments be. No what let me say we free water region. See. fi wo make comments bi didi voter region fo bi mu atema wo mo won kran ha se ya wo mo ka twi na me say abrantie say wo yes a me nso wo di matem obi so because me nso me fi voter region ba me de obi anim say twi na me kan adenya den inti me do mo su ko yes me interview abrantie no won say man fa camera ba me yes me bi se bisa ne nsem na me wo say abrantie no yes Western Togoland for ibi inti e de ahye ni trim say sebe voters na wo mo Ghana ha wo mo ni voter region no wo mo chese wo mo ye betrayers inti wo di atem hey na me ka say according tremu say waka Western Togoland for ibu intia wo church me wo mo nyama say Western Togoland for do mo de be ye Ghana na me ka the master forget mu to me ye hwe. So this is the same thing Evangelist Adai is doing. Inciting people, mungie tio na munkum minister way, munkum way. You see, today people are not doing that too. And so Mufi said it will not have effect. But Epia will be wa jine dia to the extent say the Evangelist Adai be dia ba kunu be jine bi. And there are people who believes him. One day no akoka so obi ngokum obi na ne kren ba kunu nam so akokum because it's from Evangelist Adai. Won it's no in some be say ni kwan say so eya make Evangelist Adai nsem a yes first no na me kana say me ya na me be didi atem and a lot of you guys reached out to me apparently mo amutie me kra no dodo no e wo me channel so am mo kra mo support Evangelist Adai. It's no do ni bi reach out to me amoka tell me say me person me kasa Evangelist Adai ho a metumi akasa but eya me yi edidi atem no enfrim. Into we share this particular reportage mama I didn't insult him but Evangelist Adai no no oba bontia wo din grofo atem ati ase mo try mo adwo comment box ni mo me da say